welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Today's video is going to be a hair video. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the hairstyles that I love wearing on my short hair. If you haven't seen that video yet where I cut my hair off and dyed it dark, I'll leave it in a card up above so you can go ahead and watch that after you watch this video. I just cut it a couple of weeks ago. But I've really been loving my short hair. I think it's super cute and super fun. It's just so much easier to take care of, and I feel like it frames my face better. I don't know, could be wrong. This is my natural hair. There is no heat on it. I have wavy hair that is on its third day. So these are the hairstyles that I love doing on my third day hair when it's kind of messy and a little bit greasy. I'll just throw some dry shampoo in it and do a little hairstyle, because on the first day or two I usually just wear it down and wear it natural because the waves look really nice. But on third day hair, it's not so great. These are the hairstyles that I love to do when my hair isn't cute on its own. And if you want to see my go-to hairstyles for short hair, then just keep on watching. This first hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down. I'm just parting my hair down the center and I'm going to comb it out. This is definitely one of my go-to hairstyles for when my hair is on its third day and it's not looking too cute. So I'm starting at my temples here and I'm going to run my fingers all the way back so that I have a nice even line on both sides. And then I'm just going to kind of smooth down those hairs on the top to make sure that everything is smooth and laying down flat. And then I'm going to pull some pieces out around my face so it's just a little bit more messy and casual. I'm going to take this scrunchie and I'm going to put my hair in kind of like a little bun. I'm not going to pull it through all the way at the end, if you can tell, so that it's more of like a little bun in the back. And this is definitely one of my go-tos. I love half up, half downs on short hair, and I just think this look is really cute. So for this next look, I'm going to be doing more of a side part, but you could do whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to take a comb, the end of a comb, and I'm going to start at the top here and run it all the way down to my ear. I'm not sure how to describe that, but you can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to pin that hair back for now. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just basically sectioning off the front part of my hair, and I'm going to pull all of my hair back with a hair tie just for now. And then I'm going to take this kind of silk head scarf. I'm folding it in half diagonally and then rolling it up and tying it around my head. So I'm tying it at the top like this, and I think it looks really cute. And you could even do an updo with this, but I am taking my hair down. I just think this looks absolutely adorable. I really like these little silky headscarves, and I think it looks super feminine and cute on short hair. For this next style, I'm going to be doing another half up, half down. I'm just combing all of my hair back with my fingers, and then I'm going to take a little section just from the top here and I'm pulling it back, and I'm going to do a little half up, half down top knot. I'm taking this ponytail holder, and I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm pulling the hair through like a ponytail, and then at that last time I'm not pulling it through all the way, and then I'm going back over. I'm not exactly sure how to describe that. It's like a little top knot. I'm going to put some hairs behind my ears, and I really like this look. I think this is super cute. This is how I like to wear it, but you could do many variations of this. The next style is going to be very similar to the last one, but I'm going to be parting my hair down the center again, and I'm going to be doing two little top knots, so little double buns. I'm going to take this section from the top of my hair and just wrap it around, twist it around like a bun. And I'm going to take these little disposable stretchy elastics. You can get them for super cheap and just tie it up like that. I'm just going to do that on both sides. This one is super simple and super quick. I'm just going to fix the rest of the hairs around it and just make it look how I want. I think this is really cute. It's not something I wear all the time, but I just think it looks really adorable, especially on short hair. This next one might be my favorite next to the first one I showed you guys, and this is another half up, half down. I'm parting my hair in more of a deep side part, and then I'm just going to take my finger and go down the front again like this, and I'm just sectioning off a little part here, and I'm going to tie this off. And then I'm going to take my comb and comb the top half of my hair up. I can't fit all of it up into a ponytail, so I stopped a little bit above my ears, and then I'll just tuck that behind my ears at the end. And I'm pulling this all back into a top tight pony. I'm going to take this section of hair and comb it out so it's really nice and smooth. And then I'm going to pull it back behind my ear. I'm going to tuck all of that hair behind my ear and just pull out one little piece. And I'm going to take a bobby pin and just pin that back, tuck it behind my ear.
I just think this looks really cute, and I'm pulling out a piece from the other side as well. And then I'm just messing with that and fixing it how I want to. I really love this sleek half up, half down look, and I think it's a really cute kind of modern take on a more 90s style hairstyle, and I just think it looks really cute on short hair. This next hairstyle is the short version of a sleek pulled back low bun for me, because I can't really do this with my short hair now. So I just pull all of the hair back except for that little bottom section there, and I'm just smoothing it all down so that it looks a little bit more sleek and tight. I'm going to pull that back in a bun. I'm doing the same thing again, just not pulling it through all the way the last time. And I'm pulling out some pieces here just so it kind of all goes together, considering I have those pieces down in the back. And it's kind of like a half up, half down, but it's a little bit more of like, just like a sleek low bun, and it's my short hair version of that.
Alright guys, that is it. Those are all of my go-to hairstyles. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And subscribe if you haven't already. Today's random question of the day is pretty random. Let me know in the comments what your hair type is and your favorite way to wear your hair. Like if you prefer to wear it up or down, and if you have curly or wavy or straight hair. So let me know, just for a little bit of fun engagement. I love reading your comments. And that's going to be it. That's everything. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, that is it. Whoa!